Alright, strong man.
That's not about strong, man.
Put this joint back together, bro. The festivities already started.
What
he said, he was in front of him, like, bro, he wasn't in front of him.
But that's a part of racing, right?
Here at 7-Eleven, because I had to get gas, but I had to show y'all this. I just got the booster back and look at her. We put the Angel Soft Pirellis on. We got the DME swing on with the Rotobox bullet wheels. Now you can see all of the pretty carving up close. It's just beautiful, just beautiful. Look at all that carving. Drop a comment, tell me what you think about this setup with the Rotobox wheels, the swing arm, just the whole thing in general. What do you think about the 25th anniversary with a stretch arm and carbon wheels? Welcome to Waste of Mindset, where your mind is always racing. So today, well, tonight, we're going downtown Miami Beach. Got to end the night right, man. There's nothing like taking the stroll down to the city. As you can see, Side Boogie had to switch up to his 25.5 blade. He says he called it the Crow. So feeling a little comfortable, I guess, with upgrading that swing arm and also the spring on my Penske shock. It feels a little, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's actually pretty good. Got a good little drive, about 30 minutes to go meet up with the fellas before we get to Miami. We got some fools riding with us, man. Hopefully we make it here with no wrong turn. No wrong turns, It's like getting into Miami is just like a it's a challenge. I need to get some gas. What's up, bro? Oh. Hey, bro. You are not gonna believe this, bro. You know I don't have my ignition. Bruh, are you kidding me, bro? Bro. I don't have an ignition, bro. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Bro, oh my God. This is crazy. Y'all did all that for nothing, bro. You gotta take this part off to get to that, bro. Always something, bro. Yeah, no, I would have to take this out and I could have pulled that back. But don't worry about it, just put it back together, bro.
If y'all need to take that one off, I should have a win for that one.
What, this one?
See?
Yeah, you just started my man up.
Yeah,
Alright, okay, alright.
Oh, blank that motherfucker.
Dang, I think I just broke this joint.
Break it. You just loosened.
I did. Alright, strong man.
That's not about strong, man.
This stuff.
Yeah, bro.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks, man.
See if we can ball that real quick.
Well, that was fun.
You got nobody to blame but yourself, big dog. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks for the positivity. It's all good, bro. We gonna make it work. We made it. Beautiful Miami life. Yeah, this is where all the cruise ships are, but never been on a cruise, and I don't think I'll ever be on one. Just not for me. I like land. But I'll fly. I'll definitely fly. It's one thing I haven't done since I've been here, and I normally do it, is grab some Cuban coffee. Maybe that's what's going on. Maybe all this is happening. I did not have my coffee. But this is I like about having a dual purpose bike, is that whatever project that you build, still want to enjoy it. You know, people spend a lot of money
on their units, on their bikes. You know, it doesn't always have to be about full-on racing, man. You want to be able to be fast and keep up with people and race and still be able to go out and enjoy nights like this. Have people help you when you're about to run out of gas. So appreciative, man, because they could have just left me stranded and been about their business, but everybody stood strong, helped out. We still out here. Nobody gave up. That's what this is about. So today is the last day in Florida. We got an event for Sunday morning that we are headed to. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to get there. Everybody was pretty much meeting up at 9:30. A little early morning. We had a late night last night. Tried to get home. Just made it. Only 1 mile left on the gas tank, man. I got my key today. That was ridiculous. Oh man, this GPS is acting funny. One thing that I've learned in Florida, and like I said before on the previous channel, is that Florida, down south, Texas, and maybe 2 others, they have a different level of fast. I'm not gonna lie. And they also have more resources as well. There's a lot more shops down here that cater to the lifestyle that we're actually speaking upon. There's a lot of shops down here that do this kind of work. A lot of builders, a lot of tuners. And it's a lot of those individuals, groups, or businesses that are going against each other, which makes it a lot more worthwhile because you actually have something to compare it to. Keeps the competition, the motivation to just want to do better. Got my man Ray Zadig out here. Looking sweet. Yeah. I know y'all want to see that today. Got a lot of people out today. You got Will Heat, got Manny, Vic. Got a couple locals. My man Josh. A lot of boosters, UH2, some CX-10, and several BMW. This should be a good little competition. Looks like at least 20 bikes.
Will Heat, stupid fast, bro. Got a booster, racing Vic. Vic was the champ of King of H2s back a couple years ago in that Atlanta meet. Good work, Will. Let me tell you how some people are just so serious. It's when you bring a bus to transport your bike. We got Manny versus Ray Zadig. Here they come. Oh no, that wasn't even there. That was Vic, Josh, and Will Heat. Will Heat crushing. 275 on the booster, man, cooking. Like I said, there's levels to it. And it's always different kind of fast, remember that. Yo, Ray Zadig. I don't know if they doing a round 2. Good race, though. But good race. Meeting is about to run certified rider. Drop a comment below who you think is gonna win. Samedi or certified rider. So the next race is, I told y'all, it's a good day today.